truck here with another truck behind it, and another one in the ditch. And this is what's been causing, oh yeah, big truck. And this is what's been causing all the backups and everything else. Oh yeah, I can't quite say that. They're new Canadians. I'm doing a video right now. No, you can say whatever you want to say. No one can hear you scream. I mean, but, oh yeah, they're both. That's both. So yeah, that lane is so screwed up. That side is so screwed up. But yeah, there's a new Canadian in that truck that's not moving. He doesn't even have his shirt on. No, but he's sitting in the bus. Jesus. Okay, Chance, you gotta get over there. Dash cam fell off the dash. Sorry, guys. Dash cam fell off the windshield. Again, it's just so bloody cold. There. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I just fishtailed back there trying to put the camera back on the windshield, so it's a little on the slippery side here. As long as I keep it at a steady speed, we're good. The other lane is just toast. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're moving now, so we're good. It's been quite a long time sitting there. Almost 6 hours sitting. Yeah. Like 6 hours, and I only moved half a mile. And now I'm moving, and I haven't stopped. And we're opened up, but the other side anybody that decides to go a little too fast for the conditions and things of that, right? It's, yeah. I'm just, okay, you do your thing. Yeah, we're all good. We're moving now, so that's all good. Alright, I'll talk to you later then, okay? Alright, bye. Sorry folks, I was on the phone when I all of a sudden started to move, and I had to show you guys all this. So yeah, these guys are really not going to be moving too much farther. They're pretty much stuck here all night, I'm guessing. You saw there was like 4 trucks that were jackknifed or stuck, and they couldn't get out of there. And they had to move all of them out first before these guys could even go. So, and there's even snow plows here that are stuck. And they can't do a thing about it because they're stuck in the snow. Stuck in the traffic. But we're moving. That's what counts. I guess I don't need the wipers on that fast. I'm just glad we're moving. That's what I'm glad. Let's see how many people are going to be talking on CB right now. Okay, so we're doing the 11. Turn that down. Some of these trucks have been sitting for a very long time, seeing all that snow on top of their trucks. Funny thing about it is there was a whole whop of people behind us at one point. Now all I see is a car. One car, I don't see anybody else behind it. So I don't know what happened. We got a lot of things going on here though. Fire department, police, and all that stuff, but they're in the wrong area. They should be way up where the rest of the traffic is, at least giving them food and things like that, especially cars and whatnot, make sure they're all okay. Because I'm in a big truck and I got food and water and everything else that I need in here. Even got a bed in here. The tank's big enough that it can hold lots of fuel. And look how dark them clouds are in front of us. trucks and 2 cars. Out of all the people behind me and the 2 vehicles in front of me, like, where did the rest of the people go? When we got moving, when all those big trucks were, you know, jackknifed and all that, that was a pretty nasty spot. I even spun a little bit going up a little bit. You know, maybe someone did the same thing and they're stuck. Like we're just about to enter hell when it flows over. It's getting that time of the day too, so it's starting to get dark now, right? So, but still, if I knew I was going to get moving like I am now, I would have cleared off my headlights a lot better.